Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to. Call on Jackie, what them lock him up, you know. Them should have free up Jackie, what you know, star. Because he's one of my inspirators as I sing reggae music. On this rhythm, you could have heard the man him sing this tune right away. Sure. Why, yeah, na 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 na. Why, yeah. All right then. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching. Call on me. Anytime you want to. Call on me, baby girl, I want you. Sit ya. We grew together from way back when she was 9 and I was 10. She used to be my next door neighbor. She even went to school with my sister Macaria. Yeah. And now we two grown folks, years gone by and we still keep close. She's laughing me, I'm laughing her, the same. I just want you to know that Bobo Kalabash big up Sly Media. Wow.
Right, welcome to Sly Media. My name is DJ T, the #1 international reggae DJ. And this morning, 2023, we've got Bobo Kalabash.
Yo,
the man of the moment.
Greetings in the name of His Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie. Well, in case you never know, it's Bobo Kalabash back again in the session reggae music. We there, you know, aka Zimbabwean. Yo, tease wagwan.
Wagwan.
Yo, me there, brethren. No boy, I think me there than Gambo. Me still alive, you know.
Imagine patwa ya wone kama one.
Aiwa, bo. Patwa ndo language yatinoshandisa tichita zverege. Saka ndachingoza mutorota isusu manje vamwe vanofunga kuti pamwe Kalabash akatufa aiwa kana kuregedza music ivo vanofanira kuziva chishona chekuti njiva inongorira chingoti achiri nemuriro wayo airegedzi saka 2023 tikatobata tsvimbo ine zimusoro rinorwadza so yengoma pane mabheg akawanda engoma and this time I'm on a different level of maturity. I'm being too much reggae-matic.
Okay, too much reggae.
Yeah, I'm working on a rockers vibes reggae and dancehall, but the lyrical content is totally out of the Zim dancehall league. Meaning me are focused on an international level.
Okay.
And that we are trying to show you, Bridget.
It's all right. And I didn't get to give you a proper welcome. Welcome again to Sly Media, and we are happy to have the man of the moment, the person who's trending. So taking you way back. You did tracks Pokunyu?
Yeah, that was back then when we did it as a duo. It was me and Cooligan. It was Cooligan in Kalabash, aka Nomen Kanyuma. Unfortunately, the man in Dedangan, he passed away 2015, 12 August. Same. And I'm still to hold a Cooligan commemoration in every August. I must make it an annual thing.
Okay.
But ever since Cooligan died, ever since he passed away, I haven't stopped being musically active. Otherwise, I'm more than what people used to know. Because I'm now performing live. All those reggae versions, I do them live. The dancehall version, I do them live. And I even do some covers of the reggae versions that they know straight from outer Jamaica. Because that is where I get enough inspiration from the super bona fide stars in Jamaica.
Okay, from downtown.
That is my motto. Me, I tell them the better no say. From downtown to uptown. From so education, she reads with get which I do. I mean, I bring it from downtown to uptown with the good vibes that keep the reggae vibes on top of the top and make sure I sing to people pure reggae music with positive vibration.
Okay, so what brings you to Harare?
Inina ndinakuya Harare ndakatodhunzwa neHarare nebasa ine ati yangu ndakatidhunza kuno. Ndakati nini chimuka 3, 4, 5 days ago ndakatowikira pera panga pachitrenda ati akakandwa pa social media. Ndakangomuka ndichingoti chero mune madomasi newe airtime newe anongoita zvanoita imwe kuti iwe uri kutsvaga ndakatanga kuzwa kuti kutsvaga na Jamaican artist anonzi Hezron. He wants to know where this bridging comes from, he wants your contacts and every other thing. nemapromoters akazara paplatform paipai. Vamwe vacho hatisatoonana, we have pending issues. Vamwe vacho tatoonana zvekuti muno muHarare macho mandatopinda ne2 days maoko andakasvikira ino ndatova nemacontracts 2 versions 2 mavhenyu atinofanira kuridza rege live.
Okay, so you are now doing live bands. What's happening? What's happening? Because 10 years or 15 years ago, you were quiet, and all of a sudden, boom.
Yeah, the quietness didn't really mean I took quick vibes. No, sir. Ndanga ndichitori more music, remember ndichitogadzira music yanga ndo time yandaita experience live band performance. Anditi mukona. Pamusoro pazvo ndakamira music sechinhu changa chiri cho part of life chinoisa bread patable. Ndakanoita course yandakaita inonzi metal fabrication. Ndogadzira kitchen chairs nematable andodzi band asebvitsezi.
Okay.
Inini ndindodzi pashape yandinoda inini kuti chiyaimire zvayakamira izvozvo.
All right.
Just imagine when someone can make 6 chairs dzakafanana dzitsika zvakafanana dziri patable yacho iyo. That's what I used to do, but ndaizvishandisa sebridge.
All right.
Ndaizvishandisa sebridge, moyo wangu uri kumusic.
Okay, so since you are doing that, is there going to be a shift from what you're doing from 8 to 5? Music full time.
I do not want any other obstacle in my musical lane.
Okay.
Because right about now, I'm there upon a serious, not more than 100% degrees, musically active.
Okay.
I would rather give 10% to other things that do not connect I and I to music, especially reggae music.
All right, all right. I hear you are now going international, and you've already landed yourself with a collab with one of the Jamaican artists.
Yeah, I would say not to big up myself too much or beat up my chest. I would love to tell the people that I've always been international, because my vibes, if you listen to the lyrical content, I know gimmicks. It's the thing, straight up to the point. I've always been international, but I didn't get a platform so that people can witness that I can manage. You see the thing, but in addition time as we speak, I have something boiling up in the studio, and it's a big bad collaboration on an international level, as I told you earlier, with man like Dwayne. So it's a back-to-back collaboration with Bridget from Africa and Bridget from Jamaica. I'm going to talk about Kalabash from alongside Dwayne. When you talk of Kalabash from 2023 and forward, aka Zimbabwean. Because Baba akauya akataura guta rekunobuka inini ndiri nyika yacho was from downtown to uptown straight abroad, so that means semi operate yard in abroad kana makunza maJamaicans achitsvaga umwenyu mukuti chii saka ndini Baba Zimbabwe Zimdada. Adapt me, I tell you, I can't change. I don't have to trust her. Serious thing.
Okay, since Martin Jamaica Zimdada, can you just give us something, to make us feel excited? Because we've been excited before.
I give it the rhythm, sing a bubble color, repeat up, obviously. Another split, me I go roll it up. When we touch the ghetto streets, I let the massive big get up to say we work free, we own so familiar. We keep it up, roll out, shock out. Them never know say bubble Kalabash, Akuma, Bosana, dash out, roll out, match out. Them never know say bubble Kalabash, Akuma, Bosana, dash out. Artists is in Angwag, Miss Animataka, Taka, Kanabuswera, Tichitendra, Chaka, Swaga, I reggae dance style is there, Pano Pagamaga, Kanamuchida, Dori, Batafashiraga. Bless. I'm here living like that, you know.
Oh. Wow. Any artists that you'd want to work with right now, since you've got your new vibe and your maturity is leveled up to upper levels? Anything that you'd want to?
Yeah, I would love to do enough collaborations with the people so that I show them. So I'm not that where I say hard-hearted. Through say you are reach higher heights and you know one work with people. You know, fun. Kana ndikasashanda na vanozoziva sei positive vibration. Because you know that kuimba timeless music.
Okay.
Timeless music, inoreva 2038. So if I start those collaborations with them, already I know, like it or not, because who feels it knows it. And then I'm out of their Zim dance league. That is not what I do. It's the thing. Me there upon a real dancer and real reggae rockers reggae. Adapt me a celebration.
Okay.
And run the collaboration. Asking me to consider lyrical content. Because Jarafana not you or my hobo, then we promote where it was some undercover couples allowance a time in Chichi. Or about Vuma phone call you to Yelzuka got disseminated the building is not roof. azviite andiri explain kuti my lyrics avo anofanira kunge ari positive to the level repandinoperatera inini. So if we are to do a collaboration, make sure we do it on a positive note, because androiguka and I don't do drugs. So what kind of lyrical content would I be working with?
Okay.
I want something straight.
All right. And speaking of drugs and the young youths who are going by engineers, what's the connection? Because you associate, it seems like you're associating the drug with
I do not associate his use with drugs, but individually. Some of them do it and they do it in front of the crowd of the people. So it's not a secret. He said it in. From day one, it is too bad. It is too bad. It's enough intoxication of the body. I'm generation in the ndosaka vakutaura kalanguage yekuti anzakarwa nezvinhu zvawanda skadi paindi ngoma chamba chacho meno zvimwe zvavari ngoita zvimapirisi zvimwe zvatizivi. So that's why we can't mix up with them too much, because I don't mix up with the funny man.
All right.
He said it in munhu akakwana kasi zvinoita movement yemarasta ndiye unofanira kungopera rusobo usatirapera sei.
All right.
Usatirapera sei kuti rupera ukadhakwa. How you become a Rolling Stone? That's why I have a brand new tune part of my album when name to the multitude. There is a tune when name say Rolling Stone.
And this is your show.
Yeah.
Give us something, some feel.
This tune is called Man on a Mission. But if I'm to sample up a melody, it goes like, a Rolling Stone is like a man without a focus. You see the thing? So the tune goes like, man on a mission with no vision, yes. Man on a mission, full of focus and clear vision. Rebel with a cause is a man on a mission, full of focus and clear vision. A Rolling Stone is like a man on a mission with no vision. You understand? You understand?
I understand.
A Rolling Stone is like a man without focus. You see the thing? Because when you become a rebel, you have to rebel with a cause. So can I get an answer why they get that drug? What's the reason? I don't see the ulterior motive behind that thing.
True.
But with Rasta, I don't say we use the herbs, because it's not a secret. You see the thing? Nobody fight against the trees. It's just creation, so they must leave the trees and go do other things they should look at.
Are you sure you don't have any bloodline in Jamaica? Because part of you need to but you are Zimbabwean. How did this come about?
Because mugeto meme zvinozonetsa kuti uzoita sekuti uri lecturer wepatwa when they know kuti you are Zimbabwean, but munhu anenge achitaura zvinhu zvisizvo. That's why vamwe vanhu vachizofunga sekuti marasta anopenga. Language here is language inotonzwika iri too intelligent zvokuti you cannot be fluent in language here usina English iri better.
Okay.
And I would repeat it again. Mukazviteerera muchazvinzwa mugeto pamwe vachazviregedza nokuti azvitaura. Vazhinji vanotomhurisa munhu ari kure vachizira one to them. Hamunambozviona here. Hamunambozvinzwa. I hope out there you've heard it. It simply means what happened to them. So these youths have to know they have to have a better foundation of English to be fluent in Patois, because that is Caribbean language.
Okay.
And Patois is a street talk. See, it's supposed to be English, but Patois is a street talk in Jamaica.
So my name was Ingamari Rasta. Na winki D. Ndofunga munganzwisana.
Ida kutanga ndakuudza chimwe chinhu. Iye chero ari kugudini kwari gafa anozviziva izvozvo. Makazomubvunza achida kutaura anotaura. But masuperstar zvaanoita kana time yafamba anongonyarara, but that is true. Iye mufana yandiyaridza sidram ndichishuta video yangu yebhuku nyika.
Oh.
Ari sub DJ waTempoman paTitos paTropicana.
All right.
And I still remember his English, and I'm still editor. Please discipline. We've got a video shooting in here, so just dance accordingly.
That was Winky D.
Yeah, that is when he switched from the tables onto the microphone. That's why he hear the youth can capture when he boss the team.
All right.
He knows the lyrical content to capture the dance.
So would you want to work? Would you give him a chance to work with Winky D?
Yeah.
Okay.
No props, Aya. No props, Aya. Winky, I'm an artist from way back, and I know the youth. I'm a superstar. See. But man a veteran, I miss him that. You see that? I even know that too.
Okay.
Because the level of operation could go big and thing. But when they pan him on, he might not say, "Hey, you man a lion this." I have been there, I've done that before him even step on this stage with the light then. I remember the last show I saw him when Luciano first came to Zimbabwe. The youth was idle and the management was pushing the things to make sure that the youth are put on the limelight. I was already performing live.
Okay.
It's the thing. After I've been done from 2003, out of Country Boy Records. Pokunyo, 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 pokunyuka. Same time you post this steroid. Sorry, nanganakadakwa, sorry, nanganakadakwa. By then we used to work with a man like Major Ibukati, worthiness, Decibel, William Tide. And I'm very sure, if I'm to talk of those years, these local youths were never there. Yeah, I'm watching for fun. I'm watching for us to inspire one years.
All right.
When we came into the industry, we inspired a lot of youths.
I can see that.
Clean heart, okay. Zimdada, so even now, Mukano, Papa, my phone. Life for no witness.
You know, they call him. They will.
As man, my album, and now I continue to start as 2023. Ndine tuma album already. Ne mama ndisingatauri izvo zvanotaurika nguva yacho kana kuda kunzabude but chiri kupisa izvo zviri kubhoila izvo zvakachitaura kuti international level. Ndine collaboration yandiri kuita naDwayne. Iri paalbum ronzi Royal Punch. Dwayne uyu muJamaican. Ari kubatanidzwa nemuZimbabwe. But muJamaican uyu ndiye akatsvaga muZimbabwe ndikauti ari kupi. Ndisanchiti zimdada. Ndandiri kuchiredzera. Ndokunori mwadzimbiro. After I've had more than a decade, ndakanyarara paindustry.
And all of a sudden.
But that one clip yakaitwa kumusha deep daza kumachonyonyo kamukandwa paplatform yakanaka so. Ndobva yatanga kutomutsvakisa necraft. But I've already been an artist who is ready. I've been writing songs and I've been preparing myself voice-wise, live performance and every other thing. Right now, when I was down to my bookings, tichapa manamba ekubuka paplatform yatonoshanda nayo.
All right. Bobo Kalabash.
Yes, sir.
Right. Before you were Bobo Kalabash in Jamaica, they would ask you, what is your government name?
Well, my real name is Atwell Kwenda. Ndozitara muchachara ndobva kubigita. Vanhu vaKalabash uyu vanhu vakatanga kumuziva paakaita mahits 2004 chiri kuda Country Boy Records naInnocent Utswegota. Ndopatakabuditsa album ronzi The Intro. Ndorangarina naPukunyu nanaSuri Ndandakadhakwa. Nana Tinenge Tiriko. And a whole lot of songs are pa intro album. Then parakapusha rikarira kusvika 2008. Up until Professor Pawakabuditsa muhera kuti so far vanhu vagona kumaintaina local content as we are saying it's Kuligan and Kalabash naDino naWillow.
Okay.
Zvaitika nguva iyo yabuda album rochitendera mashows tese chidi. Then there was a time when Country Boy Records ceased because of okay, I would never mention because I don't remember dzifudzo nemazita dzinobiwa. But pane zvakaitika zvoti maartist akabva atenga kutamba kumamovements akutsvaga magreen pastures. Saka inini manje semunhu anga achigara kuchiredzi it's 500 k's from downtown to uptown. So I went back downtown.
All right. Saka toda kuti tidzoke kumasure achizvarwa Atwell achizvarwa akazodiscover sei kuti no talent remusic abatonga riri
if I'm to tell you in the plain part what that is an inborn thing straight in the bone marrow. Any boy where I tried dash with that jag was splashing bone marrow on the tar. So you said zviri muropa zvezvo. Anyone anoda kutry kuzviparadza zvezvo Mwari anongotora mungo wake kumwaya mutaro.
Alright, saka makatanga kuzoimba mune makore mangani?
Kuti ndikudze kuti mangani because inini kana manager vangu vainoiziva Snap iyo ndakatombobuditsina Snap ndiri mudiki. Ndakatobata microphone ndiri pamarecords paipa. Ukaona kuti chinhu chocho chachatoma mumandiri. Ndiri kadiki kakadai kumafuezi. Kakada kuenzana neredio dzakudhara dzedze mamazeka ya masoni. Ndiripo pamarecords papapo ndakatobata mic ndichita kudakadai. So it was an inborn thing ndiri mufana. But kuzovoisa machuni manje. Rangara level yekusecondary roti unokwanisa kugadzira statement inonzwika.
Okay.
Kutanga kunana form 1 kwese kwakwa. Ndisinga mention kuprimary kwandaiva mukwaya. Ndaiva mukwaya ku10.
Alright.
Titonowina singaiti. Pana lecturer wangu ainzoringira ndo achidzidzisa zvizvo. Ndanda kusekondari ndokwananda kukwanisa kubatanidza maline anopera nekuti kuchikoro chavamuka makuziva kuti kune wedding version kune zvilobi zvakawanda zvekunyoresa zvinoshandiswa nemaauthor zvezvo. Saka ndakatanga kurova kumasession aive mafunctions evana vechikoro taitozikanwa kuti ndo vachona vanoita nezvezvi. Chikoro chinopera nemunharaunda wanga asingari because anoziva kuti kuno kuZimbabwe kwava kune influence yekuti magitari ndechirombo. saka vanga vasingangodi asi ndainzvinga manheru manje votozunzwa kubasa kuti mufana ndakamuna ari kumagitari nezigzag ndakamuna ari kumagitari nana progress chipfumo akarova mufana zvinoitika nguva izvinhu izvozvo saka zvaingoitika up until Dennis Madzingo azonditora one day usiku akaenda neni muclub kunotaridza vamwe kuti aiwa ndo zvaanoita pandasingaende kwese kumaclub but I knew kuti I had the talent saka yakatozongoita zvinhu ndachitoziva kuti yabvumidzi kumaperezo atoziva kuti mufana murasta wangu ndodaenda naye chete ndobva taenda then I got the title they started naming me Blade A ndozita raitaurira iroro pandakazouya zorekodha kuno kuharare ndichirekodha country records first album ichibuda yanga yakunzi Kalabash zvakakonzeresa vex downtown because vaiziva Blade saka vanga kuita sokuti vakutobvira makuligano kuti kuiwa kanosvika ukabatana nemumwe munhu asiri wekuno kusini ndokuko Kalabash obva tatozoenda pafoni kunofona rikaunganidza rimwe genga pamafoni booth aiva kwadarara obva vanoungana ipapa vakapinza foni ndopakazitaura kuti aiwa ndiri neBlade ndiri nezita rekuti Kalabash.
Saka zita rekuti Kalabash rakazobuda papi manje?
The Kalabash part of it yange musical definition. It's a musical Kalabash in a way yekuti ukaidonedza even kubva pa a certain height ikapwanyika kudai so hapana chimwe chinhu chinobuda mumubungunzo wemusic and lyrics.
So who named you? Did you name yourself or this was
ndakambomuka ndichingozviti Kalabash ende zvakatoitika rakuda tonyonyorwa sleeve tikati taiti Kalabash. Kalabash yacho yakaita sei ati KAA zvichienda zvakadaro zvansema nemakaiwati K because that makes it sound more African. Iye kuligani wakabvunza kuti kwewo zita kuri kuti kuligani rwakarowana kupiro akati hapane time ndakambogara kwatete vangu pane kamuzukuru kandaigara nako saka inini ndandiri munhu wechiuno wekuti time iyoyo kwairira vana bhuji ndo vataiteerera saka ndaitikana ndikagara ndakanyarara ndikazimbira pasofa ndikangofunga kuda kuimba I would sing with a high volume zvekuti muzukuru wangu aivhunduka notanga sitanyaya kunzwisa madigital waya. For example, you would say, "Boom, bye bye, na bati boy head. Root boy no promote na still boy dem a feed dead." The buju go. Samuna yanga aiva vhunduka manje. Mvata imisi kuri mwe zvamuniti dzimwe mwe muri cool. Dzimwe mwe ukara maputika unge gani so. Iye kuri gana vata ndvajoina ndikata. Cool, gani. Kusvika asvika pakuti kuri gani.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how the name came about, but vanhu ndo vaimixa mazita. Ini ndaigona kupuwa zita rakuli gani. Nanhasi pane umwe achiri kuzvitaura ndona anonditi kuligani saka inini kuti ndisacomplicated things nekuwaste time pamamission anechi ndanongoti handivi because ndozatachakorektwa samwe saka iko zvinezvi handachitaura kuti paipai country records zvakaitika ndezvakaitika ndobva tadzokera was still active ndakatodzoka kunoku ndikatonya ndikatongotiita magitari elive ndichitobatika mured fox mwana namaike ainiti nanatadza t chiridzirwa neband rinonzi Hatafire kwakuna namanex man like Toots, man like Josh, man like Shiloh. So I picked up enough experience in that then. Because I to shit up that. I only went back home. That's where I went back home and started a band called Strong Heart Warriors.
Okay. Baking Shiredzi. Okay.
Strong Heart Warriors. Kuti izvo zizvi hatina mazuva inenge yamuharare Strong Heart Warriors ichiridza reggae. Asi masande manje. Ndo wakagadzirwa rimwe rinonzi biggest sound rinenge richibatika online paradio paT's Caster FM anenge ari mad Sundays anoitwa from 6 to 10 sound rinonzi 2 reggae matrix sound rinenge rina DJ ino MC papa anenge ari Bobo Kalabash aka Zimdada saka zvinenge zvichiitika maSundays ega from 6 p.m. kusvika na 10 munenge muna Bobo Kalabash as the MC. Catch him on T's Caster FM back to back with DJ ino.
Alright. Mambota unyedza Baba Harare. How do you know Baba Harare and what's the story behind
Brave.
It? Oh, Brave.
That is his first name. Kana achida kungoramba wakingarira but that's how I know Brave.
Okay.
Brave anobva kumusha kwedu. Kuti makange mukazonge minaye wandianudza kuti ndomuziva murume ndakararama naye makore akawanda pasi muimba muyadhi mechete tichiridza magitari mamwe chete. Tsono ndiwazvo kuti upinda ndakarara achivinga mamelody ereggae because anofarira reggae mufesero. Music anenge achirwa zvake but reggae anoi angatotiridza reggae anoridza.
So makazosiyana sei amuna kuzo
zvakaitika papo tikagara tese tikagara ngachiridza neband rainzi Sigma Boys but out of Sigma is the only guy who would play international key. Ska chapraiser nevaimpromota by then vaive vachida kuhaya PA system yaiwanikwa pandaigara inga yakatengwa nakumangu for these guys vaibva kupikita vainzi Sigma kuti ini ndigofamba navo Kalabash neSigma Boys. Ska vana chapraiser vaivinga kuzo PA system yaiva papati vana dya banana mundarasi pasi mashakada asitafa vaive vachitora PA iyo. saka vakazonamupesa achiridza gitara akabayira gitara pakombo ari pagaraji iye bravery ndo baba harare anondoramba achikuti bravery ndo zvandakajaira inini iye baba harare in case out there just remember tokutaura nezvababa harare akagara achiridza gitara rake ane kombo saka vakazviona kana kuti munhu ari kuedza international hamene kuti player for instrument yanga isipo ndiri the guitarist here on the bassist, so they asked for him from that band non Sigma. Vaenda vanoridza vadzoka. Second time akakumbirwa akaenda kanoridza vadzoka. Third time anodzoka. Ndakazomona akafika kama flash akatsika pa carpet red at Australia. Na angana Japreza man, he was playing for Japreza full time.
Alright.
Up until wafamba ava akazoburikira kwa Japreza akudzi baba harare. Asi video yake ndinoziva kutanga chibva mumazuva ekupesana ndo yaanodonha akabaya vamwe atoziti ndiye ka vamwe atoziti ndiye ndianenge akabata mazuswa emoto so pachinzi ndinotsvaka mariya anisi just kuti unosvika machiteera ngoro mapinda Japreza achiteera ngoro so pachibaka moto so that is brave anga achangoti achangobva mukupesana.
Alright, so you have the association yemartist akawandisa saka iye zvona izvi muri pahit mudara timuri pahit. Are you going to be working with the people that have worked with you before? They are now up there and you are the same level now. Is there anything that is going to come out of you, Nana, Baba Harare, Japreza?
Yeah, Baba Harare kana ariko ongaudze manager wake Gifi. I've been calling him a lot of times. To doctor na iye direct so that we can work on a project. Yeah, Baba Harare, I want to work with him, but I want to talk to him first to ita project yacho tuonesane zvatoda kuita. Was ndendri muno ndikuya muno.
Alright. Ndikuti kama ma levels atisiyane apa maimbo munzachiriza ari zvakubata akubata microphone zvino mesi makubata microphone apa
ayo iye haindereki.
Alright.
Ndisikainditi ndiri zimdada.
Alright. Tapanzwa ipapo.
Iye haindereki. Saka tichida tobatanidza music anoimba neyandinoimba inini because ndiri versatile. Anotoziva imwe song yangu inonzi Danai Varozvi. Anoiziva kwaari ukadaiziva.
Alright.
Saka ndatabatike tiite zvatinofanira kuita.
Alright. Saka imi makubatika maharare here kana kuti muri kuchiredzi?
Inini ndo kunoitika zvinhu. Hapana asingazive kunze kuti unofanira kuonera chikadhi. Because mucity center ndomunoitika zvinhu, ndo mune ma-media platforms ese izvozvi tiri paSly Media. Ndo patiri kutoshuta tiri straight. You can't get Sly Media downtown Chiredzi. You have to come uptown kuti zvinhu zvako zviite right. I cannot be shouting out loud or call a whole lot of people. Pampacho panogona kushayikwa 8 times artists, but most artists chero vari kunze vane talent havana mari.
Alright, ndakuda kumbobvunzosira ipija anofuti kumashure. During the peaks of Anapunyu, what were your challenges in terms of the music journey?
Zvakazongoitika ma-challenges anga ari kupapa ndekuti economy yakabva yanguti down, it contributed in us going back home. Economy yakabva yaenda down. Zvekuti a lot of things had to be balanced. Mashows anga asikachabude zvakanaka. Ma-movements acho muno semunhu anobva kure anga kunetsa. Which means mashows anga kutotitirawo mashow maizo. Nenyaya yekuti circulation yemari yanga ichidi kwanga kudya ma-big men. Those that have made it already. Hapana paunoita competition namachezo unenge uchipenga. Unoita sei? Babashero.
Alright, now talking about positive light. What was your highest moment during that time up to now, from when you started early 2000 somewhere there?
Yeah, my highest moment is an artist match. The highest moment that was there is the hype that was given as an artist and the thing that I've longed for from long time. To be an artist and be on stage and sing for people and see them jumping up on 100 yards from the ground with excess amount of niceness. And that I did as an artist. That was the most happiest moment that Jah did answer my prayer. I want to be an artist. Up to today, did you see how we broke the record on the platform? That is not men, pan, flesh, and skin sweats. That is Jah works.
Alright.
Saka vanhu ava kunze unonzwa chinzi vanhu ava vanoridza magitari nemushonga anoridza magitari. Wakasiya gitari ukaridai rinorire. Haririre chinhu chero bhora rirokacheta pasenda ukasarikika kuti rigo harigowe. Saka you have to appreciate art. And I give thanks to 4 corners of the world, great nation. All 4 corners of the world they've given me. That's what I'm talking about. That's the level of operation we are dealing with. 4 corners of the world.
So But four corners of the world, who is your inspiration as an artist, as a reggae artist or dance artist?
It's a number, but I would want to mention two first. Richie Spice and Anthony B.
Richie Spice and Anthony B.
Yeah.
So what song plays in your mind constantly that makes you...
Run red, tenye wala look them all at bread. I hear and makes you dead. Oh yes. Makadi Bista coming and them sneaking and the man feet and the man feet. Revelation time, check the signs of the times. Them no feel the heat. So when you see the youths a leg out a street, then you know say things now go sweet. See man a hustle and a shuffle and rebelly day I can't find food to eat. It's a run red. Tenye wala look them all at easy. I Richie Spice are my artist, you know. Enough inspiration I get from the bridging day.
And Anthony B?
Anthony B. Too much guns in town. Them running Kingston like a cowboy town. So when you kill your brother, it no make no sense. That no make no sense. It doesn't make no sense. Say you a bad man because you lack of confidence. Yo, balance them thing. They pick up Anthony B. Same one.
It seems like we're lacking this this part of reggae music, live bands of reggae music. I don't know where Heart of Fire is now, but we used to get them at Red Fox, Manningberg, somewhere there. But it is since gone. Would you know what caused people to the bands, the reggae music, the live bands to go down and...
it is the same thing that we did tell you earlier, Aya. Say, there are no times when you check out, say, the economy come like it go down. So when the economy go down, the people who are dealing with the entertainment section, they can't pump out a lot of money, you know. So then chill out and try reduce the cost. So they would no longer hire these bands. Is that the thing? So people made the choice for greener pastures.
Okay.
As we are talking as yet, Heart of Fire is in South Africa, Cape Town.
Okay.
A lot of artists, reggae artists, went to South Africa. We have King Koza in Cape Town. You see the thing? And no for them a follow. We could never know the names, but I only for them did go to South Africa for green pastures. But right now, it not mean that naya. That's why things are more heritage. I can't buy a song with liberation. Liberation, war, chant, boy. Bob Marley rise up, gone up, things say you done. Peter Toshim rise up, gone up, things say you done. A Jacob Miller rise up, gone up, things say you done. A Morgan family come rise, but look here. You see the thing, them can't done with the reggae artist. As much as them would want to kill the artist, they can't kill reggae.
Yes.
But for artists who are reggae, which are terrible, so voice Garnet still be so Garnet will still be living. Nobody can
stop reggae.
Nobody can stop reggae. That's what Lucky Dube meant when he did that song. I mean it.
All right.
I mean it.
I think at times but angati tinokubvunza kuti ko atwe wacho akazomboita Kalabash say na cool guy wake. But anyway, it is a pleasure to have you on board, and as we said, we wish you all the best.
Yeah, and one last thing I would want to pass the message to the ghetto youths who have to do the dance. And in the ground of Kanya, kana vanogona kusecha ma-files and vanosecha video yaitaura naThomas Mafumu kana muchida kuita international zvaitwa na Bobo Kalabash Zimbabwean. This is the message. Go find it out. Hanzi namukanya iwawo wafana weZimbabwe uri iwawo kana wachida kuendawo international ngawatuimba papato isi dzacho idzodzo kuri kutaurwa patwe ndokuti kawafambina naSean Paul kawachiwaona naPeace Signal nekuti iwo kana wakuimba shona kauri kuimbira kahama dzako neshamwari chete hazvina kuipa kauri kumba kwenyu asi kana wakuda kuendawo international kachitoimba wakapatusi dzacho idzodzo ndozvakataura Mukanya. So I followed that. So we enlarged up Mukanya to the bone. Then this sound is going to keep these reggae vibes on top of the top to the fullness and keep it blazing more than 100% degrees. Remember, a surprise. Guess who's the MC? Bobo Kalabash. Back to back with DJ Eno. So Bobo Kalabash will be the MC, aka Zimdada, from alongside DJ Eno, spinning the wheels. Catch us and tune in on online, Tease, Caster FM, same way. Tune for tune. Blah, straight entertainment.
All right, thank you, Mr. Bobo Kalabash, for coming through to Sly Media. I hope 2023 brings you what you're looking for, and wish you all the best with your international.
Shock upon the dancers, me come in at the center. And this a boy is a lyrical creator. And in a day, them a go call me at the Cuenca. Yes, Kalabash. Bah, yeah. Na 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 na. Why, yeah. Alright then. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. I'll be waiting. Anytime you need a lover, call on me. My heart is aching.